And we just unboxed Retrofest. We just unboxed Retrofest. Shawn Michaels. We just did it. Right, son? We just did it. Retrofest Shawn Michaels unboxing. Yeah, that when you want to unbox these Retrofest figures, there's they got tape all over. So you see, I tried my best. See, I kept it pretty mint. It's pretty mint. I can still close it all up. You guys, it's got the most, because to come out right here on this piece right here, you're gonna have to cut the tape right there, which I was trying to cut as least as possible, but you have to cut that piece right there to get him out, or that I noticed you had to get him out. And look, it's still in mint beautiful condition. Look at that. It's in beautiful condition. Retrofest. Shawn Michaels packaging. And there he is. Shawn Michaels rockers. GameStop exclusive. Retrofest figure. Oh, he's awesome. For $5 clearance. That's awesome. And his rockers attire. See that, Carter? We got him. We opened him up. My boy. See what's up. Sweet tooth. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome figure. I like it. Cool packaging. There you go. Shawn Michaels Retrofest exclusive. Let's get it.